Hello, I'm Michał, and in this video I want to share an interesting use case for Int4 Suite's virtualization capability and test data generation, especially in the context of training programs. As part of digital transformation, many organizations are either introducing a new SAP system or migrating from an older one to a newer version. In both cases, training end users that one day will use SAP becomes essential. To make this easier, companies often set up a dedicated training environment rather than using other available systems like development or quality, which are already heavily utilized by other teams for activities like implementing and validating new features. This is a smart approach, but it comes with one big challenge. These training systems are often isolated, which means they are usually empty, with no real data available to run meaningful training sessions. So, how do you tackle that? You have two options. Option 1 is to build a fully connected landscape integrating other SAP systems and partner applications. But that's time-consuming and expensive. Option 2, and this is where Int4 Suite comes in, is to simulate those systems and create needed test data directly into the training environment. With Int4 Suite, you can either generate reliable data from scratch or replicate it from another system. For example, you can copy it from the quality system or even production, all without involving other teams. This way, you can build a complete business scenarios in your training system. Need to create multiple documents so that each trainee has their own copy? No problem. Want to repeat a scenario over and over again? Fine. Thanks to Int4 Suite's virtualization, you can inject the data into any SAP system, even an isolated one, without requiring additional resources. And with powerful customization option, you can tailor the training data to specific teams, countries, or project rollouts. For example, if you're rolling out SAP in a new country, just define the local parameters like a specific tax code, and Int4 Suite will generate the right data for that case. This approach makes life easier for trainers who can prepare the systems faster, and for trainees who can get a much more realistic learning experience using documents they will actually work with in their day-to-day job. Thanks for watching.